Welcome back to SoulSync, people. Today we're diving into something absolutely adorable, the little things girls do that make guys completely lose their minds without even realizing it. You know, those effortless, chaotic, cute habits that drive him crazy in the sweetest way. It's not about perfection, it's about the small, raw, human moments that make you you. The moments when you're not even trying to impress him, but somehow end up owning his heart. So, let's get into the cutest, most unexpectedly attractive things girls do that make guys melt inside. 1. Doing makeup in the car. There's something so mesmerizing to a guy about watching you do your makeup in the car. Like this calm little ritual you perform with confidence and grace. The way you look into the tiny mirror, touch up your lipstick, or fix your eyeliner while the car moves makes you look effortlessly put together yet real. He sees how focused you are, but still so soft and natural, and it makes him think about how beautiful you look, even in the most normal moments. It's not the makeup itself, it's the vibe. The way sunlight hits your face, the quick smile you give yourself in the mirror, or how you slightly pout while fixing your lip gloss, it's unintentionally flirty. It feels personal, like he's seeing a behind-the-scenes version of you that no one else gets to witness. It makes him fall a little harder, realizing your charm doesn't come from trying. It comes from being. And the best part? You don't even notice him watching. You're in your own little world, fixing your mascara, humming to your playlist, and he's sitting there silently smiling, thinking, God, she's so cute. It's the kind of moment that gets stuck in his head for days, like a scene from a movie that he secretly replays over and over. 2. Putting cold hands on his neck. Every guy acts like he hates it, but the truth? He loves when you suddenly place your icy hands on his warm neck. That little shock, the way he jumps and complains, it's just part of the game. Deep down, it's one of those playful, intimate things that feels so personal. It's your way of saying, I'm comfortable enough to be this close. It's not just physical, it's emotional warmth disguised as a small prank. Guys find it cute because it shows how natural you are around them. You're not pretending to be someone calm or distant. You're just you, a little chaotic, a little mischievous. It's those spontaneous moments that make him feel alive, like you bring a spark to his calm world. He loves that energy, that spark of playfulness that only comes out when you feel safe with him. And even after he complains, he always pulls you closer or holds your hands just to warm them up, because he secretly loves the excuse to touch you. It becomes this small ritual that he starts to look forward to, even though he'll never admit it. That mix of laughter, closeness, and teasing warmth stays in his memory long after the moment's over. 3. Singing random songs. When a girl starts singing, especially off-key or to random songs, it's one of the most adorable things ever. It shows confidence and comfort. You're not trying to impress, you're just in your mood, vibing, and it's contagious. The way your voice cracks or you laugh mid-song because you forgot the lyrics, it's raw, real, and irresistibly cute. Guys find that kind of carefree energy magnetic. It's like watching sunshine, warm, effortless, and full of life. You might think you look silly, but to him, you look happy. And that's the most attractive thing. It's not about having a perfect voice. It's about having that light in your personality that makes everything feel fun and safe around you. And if you sing his favorite song or make up funny lyrics about him, oh, that's it. He's done for. It feels personal, like a piece of your joy is reserved just for him. He'll pretend to tease you for being dramatic, but he's secretly falling a little more in love every time you sing around him. 4. Sending brain rot jokes. Girls who send random, unhinged memes or inside jokes out of nowhere have a special place in a guy's heart. It's chaotic, it's unserious, and it shows you're not afraid to be goofy. It's how you connect, through that type of humor that only you two understand. He loves that your texts don't have to be deep or serious all the time. Sometimes they're just pure chaos that makes him laugh out loud. When you send something that makes no sense but still cracks him up, it tells him that you're comfortable enough to be authentic. No filters, no pretending. You bring out his fun side, the one that doesn't always get to exist in daily life. You make him feel like a teenager again, laughing at dumb stuff and finding joy in the small moments. And later, when he's scrolling through his phone, he'll randomly see that brain rot meme and smile because it reminds him of you. You're the reason he laughs during a bad day. That bond of humor becomes something deeper. It's the start of emotional intimacy hidden under jokes. 5. Fixing his hair without asking permission. When a girl reaches out and fixes a guy's hair without saying a word, it drives him crazy in the best way. It's not even about the gesture, it's about the care behind it. It's you noticing something small and fixing it like it's second nature. It shows affection in the simplest, most natural way possible, and that's what hits him the most. Guys love this because it makes them feel seen. You noticed something he didn't, and instead of pointing it out, you quietly fixed it. That little moment of touch feels intimate, almost like a silent, "I got you." It shows how tuned in you are emotionally and physically, and it builds a connection that doesn't even need words. And what makes it even cuter? You don't even realize the effect it has. You're just being caring, but in his head, it's like a mini heart attack moment. That gentle touch, that closeness, it stays in his memory longer than you'd ever expect. 6. Talking to animals or babies in a soft voice. There's something so heart-melting about a girl who talks to animals or babies in that soft, sweet tone. It shows her nurturing side, the softness that guys secretly crave. It's the moment he sees you as pure warmth, someone who has this natural tenderness that makes everything feel peaceful around her. When he sees you crouch down to pet a cat, or smile and wave at a baby, it does something to him. It's innocence mixed with kindness, and it shows that deep inside, you have empathy and care, two qualities that emotionally intelligent guys find incredibly attractive. It's not about being motherly, it's about having a heart that feels deeply. And he might joke about it, but that image stays with him. The way your voice softens, your smile widens, your eyes light up, it's genuine. It's the kind of thing that makes a guy want to protect that softness forever. 7. Randomly imitating him. When a girl starts copying a guy's tone, his little catchphrases, or even the way he laughs, it's over for him. He'll act annoyed, but deep down, he finds it adorable. It's your playful way of connecting and showing that you notice the small details about him. You're not mocking, you're matching his energy. And that's something that builds chemistry faster than words ever could. Imitating someone means you're tuned in. You've picked up on his patterns and you're comfortable enough to make it a game. It creates this little inside world between you two, filled with banter and shared laughter. It's not about teasing, it's about mirroring his energy and saying, "I see you." He'll pretend to roll his eyes when you mimic him, but that tiny smirk will always give him away. It makes him feel special, like you notice every little thing about him, even the silly ones. 8. Getting lost while explaining something. When a girl starts explaining something passionately, but keeps losing her train of thought, or over-explains, it's insanely cute to a guy. It shows that she's excited, that her mind's racing faster than her words. It's the kind of adorable chaos that feels real and unfiltered, and he can't help but smile, watching you try to make sense of your own thoughts. It's not about what you're talking about, it's about how you talk. The hand gestures, the little pauses, the wait no, I mean moments. He's not even listening to the details anymore. He's just completely distracted by how alive you look when you're passionate about something. And when you suddenly stop and say, "Okay, I forgot what I was saying," with a little laugh, he melts. It's genuine, it's warm, and it's something no perfect, polished version of you could ever replace. 9. Wearing oversized clothes that aren't his. There's something unexpectedly hot and cute about a girl wearing oversized clothes that aren't his, like a random baggy hoodie, a loose shirt, or big cozy pants. It gives off that "I'm comfortable and soft but still stunning" energy. It's confident without effort. You look approachable, chill, and real, and that drives guys crazy. It's because comfort looks good on girls. When you're relaxed, you're yourself, and guys can sense that. The way your sleeves cover half your hands or how you push your hair back while talking just adds to that charm. It's not trying to look sexy, but somehow that's exactly what makes it sexy. He can't explain it, but the mix of innocence and confidence that comes from that cozy look makes his heart skip a beat. It's real-life softness, and he loves every bit of it. So people, it's not the bold moves or the perfect looks that make a girl attractive. It's the little things, the unplanned, pure human things that show her heart. Guys fall for those moments when you're simply being yourself. No filter, No effort, just energy. Because the truth is, real chemistry starts when you stop trying and start being. Tell me in the comments, which one of these do you accidentally do without realizing it? Because trust me, someone out there is already melting over it.